Christmas 2013. Gio's first Christmas.
What's all that? Hi. What's all that presents? He's not even looking at them. Is that Pop Pops? He's like, he was already cute. Where's your presents? Look at all your presents. Good morning.
Morning.
Merry
Ho,
Christmas.
ho, ho.
Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Look at
What's
all
that?
presents.
Oh, what's that?
Look. You're not even looking in that direction. Look. What's all that? Look. Wait. What's that down there? Look. What is that?
Ooh.
What is that?
Santa Claus must have been here last night. Eating cheeses with Pop-Pop.
You should just feed him.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Part 2.